Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear grade 6 students, hello again. I am Ahmed Al Farahati and I wish you all the best of everything. Today, inshallah, we will study Unit 3 Fitness Fun, Lessons 4 and 5. Please open your class book to page 25. Yes, this page. What are the aims of these two lessons? Let's check. Unit 3 Fitness Fun Lessons 4 and 5. Lesson 4 Class book page 25 Activity 1. Skills book page 28 Activity 1. Skills book cutout page 77. The aims. In this lesson, students will measure how fit they are, do activities and record them in a diary. Lesson 5, class book page 23, the freeze. We will look at some sports at the freeze, then we can write them in the diary. Skills book page 28, activity 2. Skills book page 29, activities 1, 2, and 3. Class book cutout page 65F. The aims. In this lesson, students will prepare for a project, recognize and use the soft and hard OW sound, OW and O, in common words. It seems as if we will work for a long time, but these two lessons are so simple. Don't worry. Let's go to page 25 of your class book. Measure how fit you are. How fit are you? Yes, remember that to be fit is to be supple, strong, and have lots of stamina. And we studied these three words in the first lesson in this unit. In this lesson, you are going to measure each of these things and record the information on cutout page 77 at the back of your skills book. This page. Fitness record. At the beginning of the unit, in this lesson, you are asked to measure your fitness and record here. 1. Stamina, pulse at rest, pulse after 2 minutes exercise, pulse after 5 minutes exercise. 2. Strength, I can jump, suppleness, I can touch. Then you can do the same activities at the end of the unit and record the information here. Let's follow the instructions on the page. 1. Measure your pulse. Look at page 28 of your skills book. Follow the instructions to measure and record your pulse rate. Yes, this is the page. Page 28 of your skills book. 1. Measure your pulse. Follow the instructions your teacher gives you to measure your pulse at rest. After 2 minutes exercise and after 5 minutes exercise, record the information here. You are asked to count your pulse for 20 seconds. Yeah, number 1, pulse at rest. Do you remember how to measure your pulse? You can measure your pulse at your neck or at your wrist. Put your finger on your wrist or your thumb on your wrist. Then count for 20 seconds. Or put your thumb on your neck, then count for 20 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then write the number here. After that, multiply it by 3. Then write the total. you can get pulse at rest for 1 minute. Then do some exercise for 2 minutes. And again count your pulse for 20 seconds. Then write here and multiply it by 3. Then you can get your pulse after 2 minutes exercise for 1 minute. Then measure your pulse after 5 minutes exercise and count for 20 seconds. Write here, then multiply it by 3 and write the total here. You can get pulse after 5 minutes exercise for 1 minute. These are the numbers you should write on your chart on cutout page 77 at the back of your skills book. Leave this page in the book until the end of the unit. Now you are asked to go to page 77 and write this information there. Here. Write your pulse at rest, your pulse after 2 minutes exercise, your pulse after 5 minutes exercise. Now you can do the second task. Measure your strength. Look at these children. They are trying to measure how high they can jump from standing. Jumping from a standing position tells you how strong you are. Work in your groups to measure how high you and your friends can jump from a standing position. Then record this information on cutout page 77 at the back of your skills book. Again, try to jump from a standing position, then measure how high you can jump and record the information. Yes, here I can jump. 3. Measure your suppleness. How supple are you? Can you bend and move easily? Try this exercise. Keep your legs straight and slowly bend forwards from the waist. Reach as far as possible. Can you touch your knees, your ankles, the floor? Record the answer on cutout page 77 at the back of your skills book, this page. Yes, right here. I can touch. Okay. By this, we've finished lesson 4. Let's go to page 28, activity 2. And this is the beginning of lesson 5. Do a project. To be fit and healthy, you should try and do some exercise every day. Remove cutout page F from page 65 at the back of the class book. Keep a record of all the exercise you do every day. Like that. This page. Yes, my exercise diary. You are asked here to write the day, then the activity, the time. What activities can I write here? Let's look at page 23 of your class book. Yes. The freeze here. Running, riding bikes or cycling, playing football, playing volleyball, playing basketball, doing exercise, swimming. Okay, then when you finish the activity, write it here and write the time. Like that. Day, Sunday, activity cycling, 20 minutes. Monday, exercises or doing exercises for 15 minutes, and so on. You now prepare for doing a project at the end of this unit. Let's go to page 29. Activity 1. In your book, you will find a picture of Robbie here, and sounds is written here. Also, OW sounds. Some words have the same letter patterns, but have different sounds. Look at these words and listen to how they are pronounced. Look here, yellow. Yes, OW, O. And here, brown. OW. Ow. Now listen and repeat the words.
Tape script 3.4.
Yellow,
Yellow.
brown,
Brown. Now in activity 2 you are asked to write, then listen and check your answers. Write the words that match these descriptions. Use the words in the pencil case. These words. 1. Where people live. 2. A part of your arm. 3. A funny person. 4. Very cold rain. 5. An animal that gives milk. 6. A bird that has very big eyes. 7. A container for food. 8. Not fast. Elbow, cow, clown, owl, town, slow, snow, ball. Now you are asked to write these words next to the descriptions here. Take your time, use your pencil and do the activity, then come back to listen and check your answers. Hello again. Let's do the activity. 1. Where people live. Yes, town. A part of your arm. Yes, excellent. Elbow. A funny person. Yes, clown. Very cold rain. Yes, snow. An animal that gives milk. Cow. A bird that has very big eyes. Owl. A container for food. Bowl. Not fast, slow. Now let's listen to check our answers.
Tape script 3.5.
1. Town.
Yes.
2. Elbow. 3. Clown. 4. Snow. 5. Cow. 6. Owl. 7. Bowl. 8. Slow.
Okay, thank you. Activity 3. Sort and write. Look at the words in the pencil case in activity 2, these words. Write the words that sound like the OW in clown or ow, it is pronounced ow sound, inside the clown. Write the words that sound like the O in snowman inside the snowman here. Okay? Use your pencil, take your time, do the activity, then come back to check your answers. Thank you for doing the activity. Now, let's write the words in the correct place. Yes, here we will start with clown. Clown. Then, let's look here. Clown, owl. Yeah, excellent. Then, cow. Do you remember the word how? Yes. Then, town. So I have here the words that sound like OW in clown. All these words. Then, let's write here. I will start with snow. Because we have a snowman, snow. Then, Yes. Elbow. Then slow. Then ball. We don't care about the order. Write any words at any line, okay? If you look here, we have how. Yes, OW pronounced like ow, clow, ow, okay? And here we have snow, elbow, O. It is pronounced O, okay? By this, we've achieved the aims of these 2 lessons. Thank you for following me. See you soon in another lesson. Goodbye.